morning formatting the disk that's in this camera on my computer. It wouldn't pop up, it wouldn't go. Every time I put it in the camera it said error, memory error. Nothing was wrong with it, it just like needed to be formatted, which happens sometimes. So like I've been up for like an hour, 2 hours actually, and I didn't get any of the footage that I wanted to, because I wanted to film Queenie because she messed up her whole bed. Didn't get that filmed, fixed it. I was going to vlog Tom Tom because he was sleeping in our bed this morning. Come here. And I couldn't film it. He just wants to beg. He's so bad. Come on. Oh, gotcha. Ready, set, jump. Very good boy. You're so handsome. Okay, so it says it's 68 degrees right now. Feels like 75. But if you look at this hourly, it's only going up to 87 today, which I'm really excited about because, like, it was supposed to be 90. I was not prepared for a 90. I mean, I am prepared for a 90 day, but I just don't want another 90 day. August is supposed to be the hottest of, like, the summer months for us. We've gotten a couple 90s and 100s days in July, but not, like, not towards till the very end, and that was only when it was consecutive. But it's supposed to continue to stay hot, so we're getting 80s all week, it looks like. Ooh, we got a 70s on Thursday. And then Saturday is 94 and Sunday is 93, which is lower than what it was yesterday, because the thing that they were predicting was 90, 91, 92, 90, and then Saturday and Sunday we're going to be like 97 and 98. So it's gone down. So that's good. I'm happy about that. Of course that my camera chip wouldn't be fixed until it stopped, but it was raining this morning. We're getting a little bit of rain. Maybe just sprinkling, but still, we're getting something. You can see right there. We got a puddle, which is almost raining. Now it's getting sunny. It's going to be in the 80s before noon, so it's going to be an inside air conditioner day. Is it going to be an air conditioner day? Yeah. This is why I like Disney Plus, because all of those movies that are in theaters get to Disney Plus really fast. Lightyear is literally going to be on Disney Plus on Wednesday. I got a little anxiety helper today. Don't you? Sweet boy. You're just sweet. You have your paw? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So me and Tommy got this blanket and we're sitting under this blanket because it's just like, it's one of those summer things where if you turn off the air, it gets so steaming in here and you can feel, it feels like it's gonna be like 85 today. It feels like it's 87 degrees, 90 degrees in here. But if you keep the air conditioning on, it gets into the low 70s, high 60s. I think ours is like set at 70 right now. And it gets like freezing because you're wearing tank tops and shorts because it's hot outside. So you gotta make a choice. You can either sit here and wear a blanket or sit here and be so steaming hot that, you have to take, 500 cold showers. So we chose the air conditioner because I think it's better to be cold than it is hot. That's just me. Anyways, I have a headache. I'm not feeling good today. I didn't sleep and I'm having anxiety crap and I'm just over it. And it's the last day of vacation for Andrew. Sorry, before he goes back to work. So we're just having a chill day. We were gonna go and do a little bit of shopping, but that's not gonna happen because I have such a major headache. I got this little guy though. No, apparently now I don't. But yeah, it's just gonna be one of those days. Honestly, I think that since it's hot and oh my god, I'm yawning, you guys. Since it's hot and everything, I'm gonna go get drinks later because we don't have anything but water to drink. And I'm going to just go get Wendy's for dinner because I don't feel good and I don't want to cook. So, yeah. Anyways, that's the plan. The day started off like pretty okay. Like I got up like right when I needed to. My alarm went off. I took Tommy out. I fed him. I did a couple different little house things, and then the headache just hit me, and I'm just like not ready to do anything. So that's how my day has been, basically. And I won't stop yawning. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's so boring. Tommy does not like gossip. Squeak Grammy, so he sounds like he's talking. It's on his tummy. Tommy does not like gossip. Look at that tail. Oh, get it, Tommy. Get it. Get it. Good job. Get him. Oh, good boy. Good job. You can do it. You can do it. Get him. Get him. You're so cute. Sit down, Butter.